bracket. Here O means of, okay, and here D means division, and here M means multiplication. Okay, and A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, if we have some simplification which has multiple operation, okay, if we have some questions in which more than operation given, but how we will work for that type of question, today we will discuss on that type of question. Okay, but here Bodmas tell us how we will work if a question has, if a problem has multiple operation, if a simplification has multiple operation. Okay, if bracket present in that operation, we will work first bracket. Which operation? Under the bracket. Bracket also three types. First one is small bracket, after that is curly bracket, and after that is square bracket. How many types of bracket? Three types: small, curly, and square brackets. Okay, if all these brackets present in that simplification, then we will work first small bracket. Okay, which operation? Under the small bracket, inside the small bracket, first we will work small bracket operation. After that we will work curly bracket. Which operation? Inside the curly bracket. Okay, after that we will work square bracket. This was your work of bracket. But next one is off. Okay, off means also in terms of multiplication taken off. After that division. If present addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also in that simplification, then we will work first division. Okay, first we will divide of that question, after that we will proceed. Okay, next one is here multiplication. After that we operate multiplication. Okay, means we will work on multiplication. It means we will multiply after division. Then after that addition. If addition present in that simplification, we will add after that. And last work is subtraction. Last one work is subtraction. It means a simplification has many operations at a time. It means if bracket present in that simplification, off present, division present, multiplication present, addition present, and subtraction, all these operations present. If any simplification, then we will work first bracket. After that we will work off. After that we will work division. After that we will work multiplication. After that we will work addition, and after that we will work subtraction. Clear? Okay. We have here some question. Here one question simplify question is here 36 divided 6 multiplication 4, after that addition 2, after that subtraction 8. Here multiple operation given in this question. Okay, here multiple operation given in this question, in this simplification. How we will work this type problem, how we will solve this type problem, how we will simplify this type of problem, because many operation given in same question. But as we know about BODMAS, okay, we will work in that simplification according to BODMAS. But here bracket not given, no matter, but here division given, multiplication given, addition given and subtraction given. But which operation given, we will work according to BODMAS. Okay, here B O D M A S. It means here division given. Okay, we will talk about division. Multiplication given, we will talk about multiplication. Addition given, we will talk about addition, and subtraction given, we will talk about subtraction. But here of and bracket not given, we will not talk about bracket of and other. Okay, but here division given, we will not talk about division. But first one is comes division, after that multiplication, after that addition, after that subtraction. It means first work will be here. First work division, second work will be multiplication, and third work will be addition, and last work will be here subtraction. It means first step we will divide first this. Okay, we will divide first, after that multiply, after that add this, then we will subtract at last. Clear? Just talking about simplification, if a problem, if a question has many operations at a time, how we will simplify this type of question? Okay? Now, first work is division. If you divide 636, okay, we can write this form: multiply 4 plus 2 minus 8. 6 is the 36. Okay, 6 is the 36. Means now 6 divided 36. 6 multiply 4 plus 2 minus 8. Now next work is multiplication. Just talking. Second work is multiplication. We will multiply. After that, what will be 6 4 24. Okay, 6 4 24, and addition given. Will write here addition symbol: 2 minus 8. Okay. After that, next step is in BODMAS comes addition. Okay, we will add this two number. What will be 24 and 2 26 and minus 8. Last work is subtraction. Here we will subtract and we will get right answer of this question, of this simplification. Okay, we will subtract here, we get here 18. Okay, this is the answer of this problem, of this simplification, 18. Okay, if you work this type of simplification, this type of question according to BODMAS. If you will not follow BODMAS in this type of question, we will not get a correct answer, we will get a wrong answer if we not follow the BODMAS rule. So if any problem, if any simplification given more than one operation, we will work according to BODMAS. Okay, we will work according to BODMAS. Clear? Now we have second question. 1 plus 5 of 2 divided 5. We have this question. We will talk about next again about board mass. Here given addition given, division given, subtraction given, multiplication given, also again addition given, and also here of given and division given. According to board mass, first one bracket not given. We will not talk about bracket but of given. Okay, of given. We will talk about of. After that we will talk about division. After that we will talk about multiplication. After that we will talk about addition. After that we will talk about subtraction. Okay, it means here first work is of. We will work for this. Okay, next work is division. We will talk about division. Here division given and here division given. Okay, next one is multiplication. Here multiplication given. Okay, means third work is multiplication, and after that we will work about addition. Here addition given and here addition given. Okay, we will talk about addition, means fourth step will be addition, and last step will be subtraction, means fifth step. Here subtraction given and no one here given, only one. Okay, so we first work will be of, after that division, after that multiplication, after that addition and subtraction. Okay, now we try to solve this question first. Okay, according to board mass. First work is 5 of 2, means we will work about first of we place with the symbol of multiplication 2. 5 to means 5 to 10. We will write here 10. After that division symbol, write 5. Okay. After that of we will work out division. Okay, 6 plus 8 2, we can write this 8 by 2 minus 2 1 plus 10 by 5, you can write this. Okay, now we will divide. If we divide 2 for the 8, we can write here 4 2, after that 2 1, after that 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 to the 10 here, 5 to the 10 cancel, 2 for the 8 cancel. Okay, now we will work about division completed. First work of completed. Second work was division also completed. Now we will work on multiplication. Okay, now we will work on multiplication. Okay, 6 plus 4 minus 2 1 2. Okay, after that plus 2. Completed. Multiplication work also completed. One multiplication symbol here we have also completed here. Next one is addition. Here first look here, this symbol, this plus 6 plus 4 and plus 2. We will add all the number which has plus symbol. We can look here, plus symbol in front of, not written understood symbol. Here in front of 4, also written plus, in front of 2, also written plus symbol. It means we will add all the plus symbol digit. Okay, 6 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. Okay, all the addition completed, and last operation is subtraction. Okay, in board mass last operation is subtraction. After subtracting 12 minus 2, we get 10. Okay, this will be right answer of this given simplification 10. How we will get this answer? How we will get this? After following BODMAS rule. After working on the BODMAS rule. Okay, then we can simplify this type of question according to BODMAS. If we will not follow BODMAS rule, we will not get correct answer. We will not get correct simplification. Okay, I hope all of you got it fully. This type of simplification which is based on BODMAS. Okay, which is based on BODMAS operation. Okay, so here one question. With the help of we have one question given 2 plus 6 divided 4 minus 8 plus 14 and multiplied by 2. Okay, here we have the question. How we work on in this question? Now let us try to solve. Let us try to simplify this question. Okay, now according to BODMAS, we will simplify this question. Okay, as we know in BODMAS, we will work first bracket, after that off, after that division, after that multiplication, after that addition, and at last subtraction. In previous two questions, no any bracket. So in that case, I am not talking about bracket, but here bracket also present in this simplification. Okay, in this simplification, bracket also present. Then we will talk about bracket also. It means first work is bracket, but inside the bracket plus operation given. No matter which symbol given, but in BODMAS addition comes before the subtraction, after the multiplication, but here addition given inside the bracket. First we will work about bracket. It means first work bracket, after that of not given any. Okay, but here division given. Second work will be division and multiplication also given. We will work on multiplication. After that addition also given. Here we will work on addition and subtraction also given. We will work on subtraction. Fifth step and last step will be subtraction. Okay, but here inside the bracket given plus symbol plus operation, addition operation, we will work on bracket. Okay, we will work on bracket. It means no matter which symbol given, but we will talk about first bracket, after that any other operation. Okay, clear? Now after adding 6 to 2 plus 6, 8, bracket work completed. Okay, 6, 2 plus 6, 8, bracket work completed. After that bracket symbol also remove here. Okay, next here division given, division symbol use, and 4. After that minus 8, after that 14 multiplied by 2. As we know, after bracket next operation is off, but off not given in this question, in this simplification, but next one is division. Next operation is division. So we will work on division. After that we will proceed. Okay, 4, 8 by 4 we can write this and minus 8 plus 14 multiplied 2. Okay, we have completed this. After division, 4 to the 8. Okay, 4 to the 8 means 2 minus 8 plus 14 multiplied by 2. Here division operation also completed. Remaining operation here subtraction, addition and multiplication. We will talk about which operation given, which operation come first. We will work on this. In BODMAS, after bracket comes of not given, comes division division work completed here. After that multiplication. So we will work on multiplication here. Okay, means 2 minus 8 plus 14 to the 28. 14 to the 28. We have multiplication work also completed. Remaining two operation here, addition and subtraction. But as we know in BODMAS, before subtraction comes addition. So we will work on addition. After that we will work on subtraction. Okay. If you add 2 plus 28, here 2 in front of 2 not given, understood symbol plus, and here plus given. We will add same sign digit, same sign number. Okay. So 2 plus 28 will be 30 and subtraction sign given minus 8. Okay, here last work is subtraction. We will subtract 30 minus 8. We will get right answer of this simplification. 30 minus 8, 22. Okay, 22. We work in this simplification on the basis of BODMAS rule. We will get 22 of this simplification. If we will follow BODMAS rule during solving this type of simplification, we will get right answer. Otherwise, we will not get a correct answer, not a correct method to solve this simplification. Always follow BODMAS rule and proceed in this type of simplification, in this type of solution. Okay, I hope all of you got it fully. Okay, thank you.